Breaking news, America. America, good morning. How y'all doing today? It's your boy Supreme, and today we have the second installment. Not one, but two. The second installment of your boy, The Realist 205. Night night. Go night night. Got him again. Not once, but 2 times. Oh gosh, this is The Realist 2.0 knocked out. In the party chat, bro. This nigga did it again. He did it again, guys. Oh my god. This is better than the last one. This is better than the last one. Oh my god. Nigga, my jaws are hurting from how hard I've been laughing tonight, bro. Like, bruh. This nigga didn't want to sleep again. Let me make sure I let him see that War Eagle. Matter of fact, War motherfucking Eagle, The Realist. Your bitch ass went to sleep again, bitch. And hold up, guy. We been in the party chat talking about how he better not catch me slipping again. Who got caught slipping? The Realist 2.0 exposed right here, dog. He's exposed right here. I'ma sit back and I'ma let y'all this time, I'ma let y'all see how long this shit actually goes on. Because it's ridiculous. I might pass out on stream and get fucked up on stream and pass out, bro. But guess what? Guess why? Because I work a full-time job and be tired, and I actually wanna give y'all a good stream, and I go so hard that I pass out. But nigga, there is no excuse for this. What the fuck is this? Oh my gosh. This nigga done opened up again. The Realist 2.0. Are you gonna come out? Hey, hold. The Realist. Are you gonna come back with another response video after this one? After you done it again? Nigga. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Listen to The Realist snore. Listen to The Realist snore. CJ, don't get too loud. I want to wake him up. I'm making a YouTube video after this. Don't get too loud. This motherfucker done went to sleep. Sleep. again. I made a video last night about this motherfucker. And this motherfucker gonna go to sleep again the next day? Oh, you done fucked up, boy. Shots have been fired. Shots have been fired. You made a response video to me, The Realest. Hold on, I want to talk directly to The Realest right now. Viewers, I want to push y'all to the side. I want y'all to enjoy the video, but right now, I want y'all to understand that he made a response video to the video that I made about him last night, saying shots have been fired. Hold on, I might be getting too loud. Oh no. He's still snoring. Never mind, God. Never mind, God. He's still snoring. He made a response video to me.
Yo, Crippy invited me back to the party, but that's fucking hilarious.
Alright, man, go. Hey, it's all good, dog. It's all good, bro.
I'll catch you later, man.
Got him 2 times. I'll put my controls down. You know what? I want y'all to focus on me this time. I want y'all to focus on me, not the gameplay. Honestly, the gameplay is secondary. The motherfucking Realest. Again. Are you gonna make it this easy for me, dude? Are you gonna make it? Are you? Hold on, guys. Is he really gonna make it this easy for me? Is he really gonna make it easy for me to expose him? Is this 2 days in a row? Hold up. 2 nights in a row. 2 nights in a row, this nigga done went to sleep in the party chat. Oh yeah. Got him again. The nigga snoring again, guy. He in the party chat snoring again. Hold it. Is this nigga sleeping and snoring in the party chat again? Oh, bitch, this is war. Oh, this is war, bitch. This war. You better get ready, bitch, cause you. Hey. Hold up. Listen. Again. I dropped a video yesterday. You know, I thought, you know, it was a good. I thought it was a good payback video. But this might be an everyday thing. This nigga done went to sleep again. This motherfucking nigga done went to sleep again. Nah, and this time was even worse. Like 1 minute Nigga, 1 minute. Like, we was holding a fucking conversation. I had to leave the camera angle. Hold up. Listen. Listen. The nigga snoring again. The nigga has went to sleep again. Man, don't no bitches want no nigga that's snoring every night? What is wrong with you? He done did it again, guys. He has done it again. Hold up. We going to sports something. Breaking news. Dorillus 205 has fallen the fuck asleep again in the party chat. Now, I want y'all to tell me if I'm wrong for this. Am I wrong for this? Put in the comments down below. Am I wrong for this? Like, my last video was 4 minutes. This one, I might make this one a little longer. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make up them 16 minutes that he posted of me. Now, this nigga done did this shit 2 days in a motherfucking row. Jesus. Let ride. I got you again, boy. Yeet. Boy, I bet your breath stink. Yeet. Cause you snoring over there. And I bet you be your meat. God damn it, Supreme. God damn it, on the beat. Rapping on these niggas. Y'all wanna see me? Huh? This nigga the realest damn fucked up, boy. If it keep going like this, I can make a video. I don't even gotta make gaming videos no more. I can just make fucking the realest snoring in the party chat. What the fuck? And y'all niggas talk about me going to sleep, but at least my shit is funny. My shit is funny on stream. This nigga goes to sleep in the party chat. Nigga, take your ass to sleep, boy. Cause I'ma keep exposing you out here. I'ma keep exposing you, nigga. You want to put me on YouTube? When I'm drunk as fuck? Huh? Guess what we at? Bitch, we on Sports Center. I'm talking, nigga, you on Sports Center now. This is the realest exposed, guys. Huh? This is the realest exposed right now. He is exposed again, guys. And once again, I'm over here talking shit about him, and he can't even hear me. He's so deep in his sleep that he don't even know I'm making a second video. The realest exposed 2.0. Oh my God, dude. Get it together. You my homie and all. If you keep opening your ass up for the roast, for the kill, I'ma keep killing you, cause it's a must. Until I get to 16 minutes of YouTube footage, I'ma keep getting you. Now give it to me. Keep giving it to me.